You need to hear this if you've ever pictured a camel's hump sloshing with water. Let's bust the biggest camel myth out there. Here's the real deal. Camels don't stash water in their humps. Nope. Those humps are packed with fat. When food is scarce, their bodies break down that fat for energy, and even a little water. That's how they survive up to 2 whole weeks without a sip. But when camels finally find water, get this, they can chug up to 40 gallons or 150 liters in one go. So next time you see a camel, remember, that hump is more of a snack bar than a water bottle. Mind blown? Give this a like if you learned something new.